Today we're going to talk about 5 conditioning monitoring fails and how to avoid them. Number 1, not selecting right condition indicators. You run an incredibly complex system. The key indicators of equipment health and longevity vary greatly depending on the parameters that are being monitored on the asset. For example, there are over 50 parameters with over 150 data points that can be monitored on power transformers, and yet it still becomes very difficult to predict the transformer's health. In fact, sometimes more data can actually hinder an accurate assessment. Working with your Qualitrol engineers, we can help you identify the key indicators and get to a full view of your system. This will allow you to feel confident while you're minimizing the potential for an unexpected failure. Number 2, choosing the wrong measurement tool and technology. Even when you've identified the right characteristic to monitor, it's important that you select the smartest technology to do the job. Working with an OEM partner, you can ensure that you have the best technology for every critical data gathering point. Making the best use of offline test data is also critical in health estimations and monitoring systems. If you have the possibility to use offline data, it's always an advantage. Number 3, monitoring too little. The effectiveness of monitoring relies on the amount of data that is gathered. Too little, and you run the risk of a surprise failure. Our Qualitrol team here can advise you on the frequency and the depth required to be predictive and be very cost effective. Number 4, overlooking proper data analysis. Successful condition monitoring is a multi-layered facet. Even if you have the right equipment and the right tools, collecting all the right data takes time and energy to analyze it properly. Only when analyzing the data properly is when you can be sure when actual maintenance is required. Some of this can be automated. Some requires human analysis. Here at Qualitrol, we can help you with both. Number 5, ignoring maintenance suggested by condition monitoring results. Amazingly, some energy operations can have all the data they need and all of the analytics, yet still choose not to perform the maintenance that is indicated. Maybe there's a degree of human discretion, but in most cases, when maintenance is indicated, it should be performed. To discuss optimizing your condition monitoring systems and how you can avoid the high cost of asset failure, reach out to Qualitrol today.